in.
Turn and burn. 1, 2, 3.
Turn and burn.
Man, you got the best view in the house.
You talking to me?
Talking to you.
Oh, absolutely.
Communication. Make sure we go home tonight.
What's up? Welcome to Turnin and Burnin, your #1 channel for all things blue collar. If you're the first time here, subscribe, hit that notification bell, check out everything we're doing. We're finally gonna hang the head section up right here. Have you seen in other videos that you can click right here and see? We're going from here. We finally went up. We had to work on the head section, as you can see over there. We had to get the head section all ready and complete. But we're finally, it's taken so long for us to hang this that my beard fell off. I've been looking for it. I don't know where it is. But the guys are getting everything rigged up. We're not gonna go in a whole bunch of detail. You've seen us hang conveyors. You've seen us hang all this conveyor. Seen what we do. So we're just gonna go up. We're gonna fly this bad boy up about 100 feet. We're gonna be in the big man lift, the 125. We're gonna do everything, show you everything from the drone. It'll be a nice fun video. So stay tuned. Let's check it out. Let's roll that music. Let's roll that drone footage. Just like that, got a head section in place. Looking good, looking good. The guys are gonna finish up tying it in, any welding needs to be done, stuff like that. And we'll finish the day out. Tomorrow, we'll go ahead and pull the conveyor belt on. We'll string it on there, get it all pulled up there so we can get closer and closer to running. Thanks for watching Turnin and Burnin, your #1 channel, all things blue collar. Hope you enjoyed a little drone action as we were hanging the head section over that storage dome. Some of our other videos you can see at the end. Click on those. You can see how we started from the tail section, worked our way up. Normally we do this all in one piece. We start from the tail, work our way up, and we're done. But this one we've kind of just been going here and there, just as we can. And like I showed you at the beginning of the video, they wanted to build that whole walk around head section with the chute and everything, because we don't want to do any welding on the dome, because we don't want to burn up that cover on there. So that's kind of where we're at. So anyways, I'm rambling on like I always do. Make sure to hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, so you can see every time we post. Until next time, we ain't dragging up, but we're rolling on up out of here. See you later. Peace.